Improving your FPS in PUBG can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and boost performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings within the game. Set the resolution to a low value, reduce texture quality, and disable unnecessary effects like shadows and anti-aliasing to improve performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, etc. to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close any background applications that may be using system resources. Use Task Manager to end unnecessary processes and free up RAM and CPU for PUBG. Step 4. Modify game launch options. Access the game properties in your game launcher and add launch options. For example, you can use commands like Novi to skip the intro video and high to prioritize the game's performance. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If you continue to experience FPS drops, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing your RAM, switching to an SSD, or upgrading your graphics card can provide significant performance improvements. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG FPS, leading to a smoother gaming experience.